Hey guys, how you doing? It's day 14 of the Purple Cow Arts and Crafts Advent Calendar. Let's see what we've got today. Okay, here's day 14. And it's the smallest box yet. Ooh, they do say good things come in small packages. Shall we open it up and see? Okay, this is day 14. It will require something from the additional items envelope, but let's see if we can guess what the make will be from the items in the box alone. It's a tiny one. Okay, what have we got? Okay, we've got some brown paper, brown card. Let's unfold it. It's brown card. Got a big old crease on it though, so we'll see how well that wants to be crafted with. We've got some, oh, I'm surprised we haven't had more of these yet. We've got some googly eyes and there's a big red nose. Oh, I guess who we might be making today. And let's have a look. We've got some green paper. Is that it? Oh, is that it? That is everything for day 14. I have a good idea of what we're making, but let's see if the envelope can explain more. Here it is, day 14, paper roll reindeer. Okay, so today we're going to make a paper roll reindeer. Materials in the box should be brown craft paper. Here it is, white sticker, green paper, sticky eyes, here they are there, ooh. Pom-pom, yep, and a red jewel sticker, very nice. And from the envelope should be a paper stencil, hello. And of course, there are some extra items you will need. A toilet paper inner roll. This is going to be a table ornament, so I don't really want to use something that's been in the bathroom. So I'm going to use this orange box from day 13. I'm going to pretend that that's my inner roll. Like, you can use an inner roll if you want, or if you still have the box from day 13, use that with me. Or frankly, I think you could probably just craft a roll from some paper or cardboard. Hot glue, but also this time glue stick, because when one glue is not enough. I'm not sure why you need both. I don't have glue stick, but I have got glue mouse, our buddy scissors, black marker. I'm using a black Posca pen just because that's the nearest to me, but you can use any marker pen, and just a normal pen. I'm using a Sakura Micron just because that's the nearest to me, but you do not have to use a fancy Japanese fine liner. You can just use a normal pen. So first things first, we're going to make the reindeer's body. If you were using a toilet roll in a tube, you would just squeeze the pieces together at the top, so that you still had it fat and round at the bottom, but squeezed together at the top. Because we're using a box, I'm going to have to slightly alter the box. So first things first, I'm going to cut off this flap here. Thank you for your service. And the next thing I've done is I've made a slight crease on this side, like a milk carton, and a slight crease on this side, like a milk carton. So it makes it easier to fold, so that the top is flat like they wanted, and the bottom is still three-dimensional. I don't really know what to do about this bit. I think I might keep this flap and then just glue it over. So what they want you to do once you've done the squeezing is to unsqueeze and glue a lot of hot glue inside. So they want you to do a lot, because this cardboard has spent a lot of life being 3-dimensional, and they now want it to be 2-dimensional again. So I put a lot in here, and please remember, when using hot glue, it's called hot for a reason. If you're uncertain, you could get somebody else to do it for you. Use super glue or maybe white glue. You'd have to hold it for much longer than hot glue. Hot glue dries in a couple of minutes, whereas super glue and white glue take much longer. So I've kind of squeezed that together. Because I've got these extra flaps, I'm going to glue on these flaps as well. If you had a toilet roll, you wouldn't have to glue on the extra flaps. You'd just glue on the inside of the roll. Okay, I'm going to do that and try not to burn myself. And now I'm going to glue on this flap here and fold it over to make it super extra secure. There we go. So this will be our reindeer's body if you want to make it out of one of the previous day's boxes rather than a toilet roll. I picked day 13 because it was nearby, because I hadn't thrown it away yet, because I hadn't recycled it yet, and it's orange, which to me kind of strikes me as a reindeer colour. So we're going to let this dry now. Put it over here, and we're next going to cut out our paper doll templates. Now, it struck me whilst cutting these templates out that actually you only need to cut one of each template. You don't have to do both, but I did both just to go along with the spirit of the craft. Next, we're going to draw around these templates on the brown paper to create antlers and ears, and we're going to use our pen to do that. I've refolded the paper because instead of drawing twice, I'm going to draw once and cut out two at the same time. Two ears and two antlers. Now we're going to stick them to the top of our box, which is dried solid. So that's one antler, and then making sure that you're mirror imaged, you're gonna stick the second antler on. So okay, we've got the antlers and ear. Next we want to do the face. So they've given you a sticker for this. So it's like the white bit of a deer's face. So we're gonna sort of position it kind of in the middle of where you want the face to be. There we go. Next up, let's go with, I think they said to do the eyes next, but I'm going to do the nose because then I can position them around, the eyes around the nose. This is on a bit of stick here, so you just have to peel it off. And let's see, where do I want this? I could put it lower, I could put it higher, or right in the middle. I'm going to go with right in the middle. There we go, so that's Rudolph's nose. And now we just have to do the eyes. Now, apparently these are on stickers as well. Do you want a sticker? It says you're on a sticker, but I don't see a peely bit. Let me see. I don't think it is on a sticker, guys. I think when they said sticky eyes, I think what they meant was googly eyes. So I think here again you could use a glue stick, but I'm going to use the hot glue gun because it'll be a bit more permanent. Oh no. Okay, I can blame no one but myself for this. Okay, so here's the face. Next, we want to take this green strip and we're gonna wrap it around our reindeer's body. So I'm just gonna put glue on this strip and hope it's the right size. Christmas songs stuck in my head today. Do you have a favourite Christmas song? At the moment I appear to be singing Christmas Tree Farm. Oh wait, if I start it at the back. Yeah, at the moment I seem to be singing Christmas Tree Farm by Taylor Swift. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Perfect. It wraps all the way around. Nice. Oh, it looks so goofy. And finally, they want us to put the pom-pom on. That's another, I'm afraid, hot glue job. Because glue stick is not gonna stick your pom-pom on. So I'm just gonna attempt to find... Oh, hope that's the right place. Okay, and let's put the pom-pom on. Bloop. Very nice. Right, I'm just gonna let that all dry and then we're gonna go into the end game stage. Okay, so the final step is to draw whatever details you want to draw onto your reindeer using a black marker pen. Now, because this surface is a bit shiny, because I decided to use the box rather than a toilet roll in our tube, I think Posca pen would be best. But if you're using something matte, I think any sort of marker pen will be fine for you. So I guess let's give him a mouth. Very good. And let's give him a muzzle. I'm just going to put some ear inside too. Whee. There we go. And here is one reindeer table ornament with googly eyes. Yeah. Okay, shall we rate him? So, value for money. Well, you get a table ornament. It was actually quite fun to do this. I definitely had more fun making it out of this box than if I'd made it out of a toilet roll in a tube. It took time to make. It definitely took more than the 5 minutes that I expect these to at least last. So I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5. So, completeness of kit. Well, you needed at least 1 pen. They suggested 2 pens. Pair of scissors. At least 1 type of glue, preferably hot glue. They also suggested glue stick, which I don't have, but I had a glue mouse. I did actually burn myself on the hot glue this time properly, so it is a bit dangerous. And of course they wanted the inside tube of a roll of something. I instead used the day 13 box. So yeah, it's nowhere near a complete kit. Hot glue is dangerous. Other glues would have done. I'm going to give it I'll give this one a 2 out of 5 for complete kit, because it did require a lot of extra things. And like varieties of extra things. 2 pens, 2 glues. And finally, dexterity required. There was cutting, there was using the hot glue gun. I'll give it a 3 out of 5 for dexterity, because it's not the hardest out of all the projects, but it does require hot glue. Not everybody feel safe using a hot glue gun and should be using a hot glue gun. You know, younger members of the family should not be expected to be using hot glue. Well, thank you for making it to the end of the video with me. I'd love to know what your favourite part was. If you could leave a comment in the comment section below. What would you have used to make the reindeer's body? If you could like, subscribe, turn on all notifications, share this video, that would be amazing. You can follow me at Enchanted Violin on Instagram, TikTok and Threads. Links will be in the description box below, as well as links to my online comic companions and my Patreon. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 15.